Liewe donder, die ding is dik. Ek dink sy gaan kleintjies kry. Hoe kraak die boom?
How did you manage to live to be 100?
Once a year I do an alcohol shock therapy.
And how much do you drink on that day?
I don't drink that day.